Our Cobra replica needs a new exhaust, and because it's a hand-built car, they don't come off the shelf. So I've come here to talk custom-built pipes. Hello, mate. You Barry?
Yep.
Barry, how you doing? I'm Mike.
How you doing, Mike?
Spoke to you on the phone regarding my Cobra.
That's right, yeah.
Now, my car is never going to get through its emissions. The previous owner couldn't get it through.
Okay.
So I'm going to need some help. What can you do?
Well, what we can do, first of all, is get you some cats.
Yep.
You're going to need 2 of these things.
What's in here?
There is a number of precious metals, and what happens is when they get to a certain temperature, they react and they burn off all the horrible gases.
So this is the thing that will reduce that emissions on a car like the Cobra?
That's right, yeah.
Fantastic, OK. Now, the car is rather noisy.
OK. Well, we do a number of different silencers. This one here, this is a good example of a straight-through silencer. And if you're looking for that little bit more,
yeah,
we can supply you the Vortex unit, which will actually give you more power with better economy.
Barry invited me out back to find out more about his patented muffler system. Here they can make pipes for anything from a race motorbike to the biggest articulated truck. But the eco-friendly Vortex muffler is the jewel in their crown. And the magic happens in there, does it?
Yeah, it does. What we do, we pass gas over shapes, accelerate it down the outside. We create a low depression in front. That creates the vacuum, extra power and better fuel economy.
How much is it all going to cost? Bear in mind there's going to be 2 exhausts on that car.
£1,250.
1,250 quid. Sounds expensive, but I'm convinced, after talking to you and seeing all of this, it's definitely going to do the job. Hold out your hand. Got yourself a deal.